Hey fighters, welcome to GadInsider. Ready to discover the best fighting games to dominate in 2025? From iconic classics to hidden gems, we've got the ultimate list for you. Stick around and let's jump into the action. Hit that like button and subscribe to GadInsider. Let's go! 2025 is stacked with fighting games that deliver variety, accessibility, and competitive depth. Whether you love tag team battles, cinematic showdowns, or indie stunners like Skullgirls' second Encore, there's something for everyone. Let's dive into the top 8 games you need to play. Super Smash Bros. Super Smash Bros. Is the ultimate king of crossover fighters. With a massive roster of Nintendo icons and third-party stars, it's perfect for casual fun or intense tournaments. Still a Switch staple in 2025, Street Fighter VI redefines the genre with slick graphics, beginner-friendly mechanics, and constant updates with crossplay. Capcom's legacy shines, making it a must-play for all skill levels. Tekken 8 brings 3D fighting to new heights. The heat system, polished combat, and thriving competitive scene keep the community buzzing. Bandai Namco nailed it. Dragon Ball FighterZ is all about flashy tag team chaos. Its anime-inspired visuals and accessible mechanics make it a 2025 favorite for anime and fighting fans alike. Mortal Kombat 1 delivers brutal action and cinematic flair. Even post-support, it's a bestseller with polished gameplay that keeps players hooked in 2025. For retro fans, Street Fighter 30th Anniversary Collection is a nostalgic gem. Dive into the franchise's roots with iconic titles that shape the genre. Perfect for new and old players. Ultimate Marvel vs. Capcom 3 is a high-octane tag team marvel. Its wild roster and non-stop action bring comic book vibes with serious finesse. A classic that still rocks. The indie darling Skullgirls' second Encore stuns with vibrant art, tight mechanics, and replayable gameplay. It's accessible, deep, and a must-try in 2025. That's the scoop on 2025's best fighting games. Are you maining Tekken 8, smashing an Ultimate, or vibing with Skullgirls? Share your pick in the comments. Smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more gaming updates.